Ka Office Jangka District School Education Officer DSEO West Jaiñtia Hills mynta ka Sngi Kyrpang ka Sngi Kyrpang ki Nonghikai ne ka 62nd Teachers Day celebration ya ka bala pynlong ha District Library Auditorium Jowai ka ne ka jingrakhe kala long ka ba iphuh iphieng haka ba Symbud myntri rangbah ka jylla Sniawbhalang Dhar ulalong kum kongsan haka jingïadon lang Wailadmiki Shylla MLA ka Jowai kum Symbud kongsan ka DSEO kong A.P Syiem Doloi Elaka Jowai Puramon kynjing USP Masi Syrti DC ka West Jaiñtia Hills District B.S Sohliya ki Nonghikai ki khynnah school bat kiwei kongsan habakren ulapan kan mawi ka jing tre shitom jong ki Nonghikai tang baki ai ka jing hikai hanraya ki jing sneng jing kraw yaki khynnah school ula ongkum ki Nonghikai ki deben long ki Nonghikai ki basngau yaki khynnah school jong ki kum ki khun jom ki hi lapen chong shit bat pen phu pen phieng shu shu ya ka nika sngi le Burom ki Nonghikai da ka jing ruai jing shat ki bala shim banta ki khynnah school ba pher ka Nongba Jowai
as one of the best district in our state. That is my dream, my vision, to make West Jaiñtia Hills district as one of the best district in the education department. We can excel in educational field if all of us as principals, as heads, as teachers, and also as students to work hard and to dedicate so that we can make our dreams come true. So once
Our
again,
schools providing well-equipped classrooms, libraries and labs. We are investing in technology to facilitate interactive learning and ensure that our students are well prepared to thrive in the digital age. Additionally, we are taking steps to enhance teacher training programs, giving you access to the latest teaching methodologies and tools. We firmly believe that providing you with such amenities and support is not just an investment in our education system, but an investment in our nation's future. However,
every government has own good work. But the party kawan-kawan kapang government yogi cipang the bon wiki, cipang the bon gura plaka, ngajuk cima, usah nuci ministeri, raman bon best minister, sen wambi menjodoh hiu kuat bilam hiu kamu apa? Jo emang kamu kata cimu, tu sar pirak pirak ni bakal biki. Tegini orang taman that is. Life is a lot of challenges. Life is a lot of challenges. We live with challenges, we live with struggles, we live with hardship. That is human life. We leaders, we accept everything. It's our responsibility to face all the challenges in the whole state, especially like me in my district and Mawailah. The body program will create Sarkar, wakamono penmiat, wakamono penbahang, wakamono upgrade, wakamono system, highway to waka education sector. Bon nabi boy, kunmo ni bon seni kamtam ni senong kendong, jo tip lupa iman aja, menjom kunmo ni ada Sarkar. Kelawaya modern school, recent school sagawi budaya isang seni kamas dia prateli. Em dibentak pada kerek rekaman kami, em dibentak pada perkendari, em dibentak pada perbaik di atas rekaman kami. Hak em di orang di porek sanksioni. The bone system pun berkerek ani kamu dan tipi kewiri sebentar capacity building, kamu training yang teachers improve lagi from good to best. Keskill development program sudah berkerek sarkan lagi por. Em kat tuan ni student ni bumare pas pura buya kini. Dah percaya kan kita lah. Kamtam kawi ni keskuru ko best ha. Uriti di warok. Ko principal ka imun mare sa. Ko berisi kon mai. Kawi ni keskuru warok Burom ni kestik yang ni genon ni berti. Kagaman ani use ke di awalai chola cawan ju ikam gino mikmat em kini sa yang remi. How you can ombak college the khynnah tapi tidak pom tahu chom. Kan kau man ada kini menai the propose kamu arpa kulur lembaga ministry donor kamu Puramon penek bermain Amerika.